Hi, everyone. I'm Liz Golden, CEO at Wavelet. At Wavelet, our mission is to eliminate preventable brain injury at birth and reduce unnecessary C-sections. And here's why we're so passionate about this work. 1 in 100 babies suffers from a brain injury at birth that ranges from temporary to permanent. And these cases are associated with high lifetime healthcare costs and over $3 billion in annual malpractice costs. Just to paint a really clear picture, the standard of care in this space has not changed over the past 40 years. The main thing that obstetricians are trying to avoid during labor and delivery is lack of oxygen and blood flow to the baby's brain, because this can result in cerebral palsy and other negative outcomes for the baby. The problem is the standard of care is fetal heart rate monitoring. And this is indeterminate over 84% of the time and a very late indicator of fetal distress. While the alternative, the fetal scalp electrode, which is the basis for research fetal EEG, is highly invasive, unsafe, and impractical for clinical use. So there's currently no way to get a non-invasive EEG on a fetus, even though this would identify fetal distress approximately 8 to 10 minutes earlier. We are building the world's first ever non-invasive fetal EEG to identify signs of fetal distress earlier and enable safer deliveries. The AI revolution is just now enabling the signal processing of complex fetal brainwaves, allowing for non-invasive fetal EEG. Our studies show that we can detect brain activity in real time to identify signs of fetal distress earlier, to enable safer deliveries with the goal of reducing brain injuries by over 50%. So what is our device? We place sensors in a belt worn by the pregnant mother to provide EEG results. And our studies show that those EEG results are as accurate as those for a post-birth infant wearing sensors directly on their head, as validated by neonatal neurologists. We are the only ones doing this with an over $5 billion potential market opportunity. We have an incredible team with expertise across obstetrics, neuroscience, EEG, algorithm, and FDA and regulatory and commercialization, and we have exits in this space. We've achieved key milestones, including patent filing, non-dilutive funding, and initial validation of our algorithm and device with pregnant mothers, and are initiating clinical and regulatory processes such as the FDA pre-submission meeting. And we're excited to have you join us to transform the lives of mothers and babies across the world. Thank you.